Imagine a big stack of cards, each with a number. We need to sort them from smallest to largest. But it's a huge task. We divide the big stack into smaller ones. Then divide those again, until each stack has just one card. One card is already sorted. We merge the tiny stacks back together, comparing cards and putting them in order. We keep combining stacks, making sure they're sorted. We keep merging until we have one big, sorted stack. Merge sort breaks the problem into smaller parts and combines them carefully. Merge sort is like organizing a big mess by dividing it into smaller parts and sorting as we go. It's about breaking down big problems. Merge sort is like a sorting superhero, dividing and conquering to make everything in order. It's useful for sorting data in computers too.